Beautiful people, let's get right into it. This is my brow routine that I find myself doing in the summertime. So I figured I'd share it with you guys. So we're going to jump right in. I'm going to use some Sasha Buttercup over my brows. That's just going to help to absorb any excess oils. And I'm going to use this double-sided Morphe brush to do my brows. So the things that you're going to need, I like to use a disposable spoolie just because the soap won't get in my main brush and stay there. And you're going to need some soap that's translucent, basically soap that dries clear. That's very important. So I like to use the Pears soap, and then I just use my e.l.f. mist instead. You can use water if you have like a spray bottle of water nearby. I typically just use my e.l.f. mist instead. And what I'm doing is I am going to spray it directly on the soap until it gets frothy, till it creates a light lather, and then I'm just going to apply it through my brows. So I'm basically using soap like I would use a brow gel, and I like to just lay my hairs exactly how I want them to stay all day. So I like the front of my brows to stick straight up because those are the hairs that are shortest, and then I just lay the rest of the hairs down, following just the way they grow. So I sped that clip up, but I really do take my time to work it through. I mean, it only takes a minute or two, but I still sped it up. And then once it dries, everything is just in shape. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX eyebrow gel. Y'all know this is my fave. It's waterproof, smudge proof. So it's definitely great for summertime. Again, if you sweat, I sweat a lot. But if you sweat, if you're swimming, you're just going to be out in the sun. This is not going to budge. You don't have to worry about, patting off your face and your eyebrows coming off. They're not going nowhere. So I do my brows the exact same way. I start on the bottom, really focusing most of the product to elongate my tail because that's where my brow kind of does a disappearance act. So I really make sure that I get my tail exactly how I like it, and then I fill in any sparse areas in the front. But using this method with the soap, it just allows me to use way less product, and my brows look super natural, and the hairs don't budge. So yeah, I for some reason, I don't know why I don't do this during the wintertime as much. I don't know if I just like a fuller looking brow in the wintertime. I don't know. But I find myself doing this, pulling out my soap, grabbing a new soap from the dollar store when summertime comes around, when it starts to get hot. So I figured I should record this and share it with you guys. But that's pretty much just it. I'm going to fill in my brows like usual, using my spoolie to make sure that the product is evenly dispersed throughout my brows. And then once I'm content, I'm going to clean them up with some LA Pro in the shade Toast. This is my forever shade that I always use. I've been using this for years, and I just use the actual container, the brush that comes with it, put that directly on my skin to clean up my brows. Now, if I was just doing my brows and nothing else, I would leave it with just a tiny bit and clean it up. But for this clip, I was getting ready to film a look, so I brought the concealer all the way down and used it like a eyeshadow base. But that's it. Super quick and affordable. The concealer is what, $3? The eyebrow gel is like $7, so that's 10. The soap is $1, 11. I mean, give or take a couple of dollars extra for the brushes that you might use, but pretty much like 11, 10, $11, eyebrow routine. So if you like it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, why not? Hit that button, turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And until next time, guys, be blessed. Bye.